What's up, San Antonio? My name is Caleb Janasek. I'm an audit manager here at ADKF, and I'm very happy to introduce you to Paul Wobser. He is an audit partner here at ADKF. He's been with the firm since 2016. He's very happy to tell you he's a Texas Tech graduate. He's a family man who enjoys boating on the lake, and he leads our client accounting services department here at ADKF, and that's what we're here to talk to you about today. So Paul, thank you for your time. Appreciate you being here. I guess the most obvious question is, what is CAS?
CAS, so it's Client Accounting Services. A lot of firms will call it different names. Mm-hmm. I tend to just refer to it generally as accounting services. Mm-hmm. And really it's transformative in what we can provide. So we become insiders in each of our businesses, in each of the businesses that we work with, and really get to understand who they are and try to provide each of those companies with value-added insights into their organization and help them make decisions.
Okay. So how does CAS help provide more tailored data and information to the clients to help with their decision making?
So it really stems from technology and having a wealth of data available for us to work with. And with us being part of the organization in a sense, what we're able to do is get to understand that business and provide them with KPIs, key performance indicators. Okay. And for example, a restaurant, a lot of restaurants don't know how much each cost per plate is that they serve when they're a restaurant. And so we can use the data that we gather from our accounting services, give them that, and help them make appropriate decisions for managing their organization, managing their business.
Okay. So what would you say to the client who says, look, I already got my CPA firm, they do my taxes, they do my annual audit. What would you say to them about why they would benefit from CAS services?
So CAS is really a supplement to all of that. Mm-hmm. It essentially helps all of those things work better. Mm-hmm. If you want your tax accountant to know more about your organization so that they can help provide you with great tax advice, CAS helps give them that information so that expert in taxes can make those recommendations.
Okay. Helps better decisions.
Absolutely.
For everybody. Gotcha.
And it makes the audits go quick.
Who doesn't like that?
Yeah.
So you've made some great points about some advantages it can provide. What are some additional advantages that clients could get from CAS?
Wow, there's a lot. I could probably be like Bubba Gump listing all the different types of shrimp dishes that could be made. Really, fraud is the first one that a lot of companies think about, and a lot of companies are worried about. With good accounting services, especially with the extra segregation of duties that we can provide through those services, we can help mitigate fraud, or a CAS provider can help mitigate fraud. Budgeting and forecasting, there's so many not-for-profits that in all organizations, but especially not-for-profits, that rely on accurate budgeting and forecasting their cash flows so they can make quality decisions. CAS can help with that. Okay. So just across the board, anywhere where financial data can be used to make decisions, CAS can be there to help that process along.
Awesome. So it sounds like there's tons of pros here to utilizing these types of services. So why does it feel new? Why is this kind of becoming a new thing in our industry? And, I probably haven't heard of it until the last couple of years. What's got CAS getting so much buzz on the scene right now?
Yeah, and I alluded to this a little bit earlier, but I probably didn't talk enough to it. So it's technology. And in the past, if you wanted to go and do accounting for an organization, you had to go on site, spend a lot of time, deal with a lot of paper, and it was a very manual, labor-intensive process to get there. With the technology that we have available to us now, we can use AI and data analytics, and we have software that can read invoices and read documents to get that information into the computer for us, so that we're not having to manually process that data. We have cloud-based systems so that we can, from my phone, I can help a client pay their bills. And I don't even have to be in the office, much less on their client side. So it's amazing what technology has really enabled us to do with accounting services.
Excellent. Well, Paul, thank you for your time. Hopefully the community learned a lot about client accounting services today, and have a great evening.
Thank you, Caleb.
Yeah.